You achieved so much. You've built a successful career. You've raised a family. Maybe you've even reinvented yourself. But there's one dream that still feels just out of reach: owning your own home. If you're stuck renting or it's been decades since you last purchased a home, the thought of buying a home now, it may feel overwhelming. But what if I told you it's not too late to still achieve this goal? Hi, I'm Tranett and welcome to Homebuyer Mastery. I have 17 years of experience in real estate and I've helped countless clients in their late 30s, 40s, 50s, and yes, even in their 60s, overcome the doubts to make home ownership happen. Many of my clients, like you, they felt trapped, forgotten, or like they'd missed their chance. They had almost given up on their dream of becoming a homeowner until they met me. See, at Homebuyer Mastery, my mission is simple and clear. It is to empower midlifers just like you to stop settling and to start believing that home ownership is within your reach. Because it is, friend. My channel is designed for those who are ready to break free from renting and to accomplish this goal within the next 12 months or less. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or returning to the market after years, I'll guide you safely through every step of the home buying process. All of the top home buying questions that you have will be answered on this channel. You'll even get answers to questions you didn't even know you should be asking. I've worked with buyers for so long that I know how to get you from faith to finished. Together, we'll address all of your concerns. We'll challenge common misconceptions that you've had about purchasing a home. And then I'm going to help you take action without the stress or the excuses. So I've shared with you who I am and what I can do for you through my channel. Now it's your turn. If you feel truly committed to making home ownership a reality within the next 12 months, take the first step and then just simply subscribe to this channel. Let me be your virtual real estate agent. It's my free housewarming gift to you. Seriously, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a single video, because we've got a lot of ground to cover, friend, so that we can get these keys in your hands within the next 12 months. You can no longer afford to get left signing another lease agreement. No more leases. You've landed on this channel not by accident. It's your sign. Now it's time to do something with it this time. Your time is now to make this happen. We can do it together. I look forward to seeing you on all the upcoming videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for hitting the notification bell so that you don't miss a video. And then let's hit like and let's get going.